Man, carrying this thing up the hill is like driving a lorry. Do you notice how quiet the environment is? So I just arrived my village a few minutes ago, and I'm about heading to the forest to get some firewood. So my people want to process palm oil, so I came down here to help them gather some firewood and to go carry the palm bunch from the forest. But unfortunately, some of my cousins already did that before I came back. So now it's the firewood I'm going to fetch. This is a mountaintop village in Enugu. You can see how quiet and serene the whole environment is. That's because the people have all gone to the farm and to the forest for one activity or the other. So this is me heading to the forest to get some firewood. Ah, Jama. Sir. Yeah. Oh man, look at how chill this place is. I think somebody is cutting palm fruits. Idiko. Can see they are doing their business. Let me go do mine. But man, this is not an easy job. Seriously, I remove my cap for people who lives here in the village because it's not easy. Look at, do you know how many hills and valleys these people cross every day to get to their farm? The village is sweet, relaxing, peaceful, but it's not easy living here. I must tell you the honest truth. This is my second time of going down this road, and I must tell you, I'm exhausted. But some people told me they've done this like 4 times today. 4 times today. Imagine. And some of them are going to do it more than that. Up to 10, 12, 13 times. Not carrying things on their head though. Not just walking up and down, but carrying things on their head. Anyway, let me just show you guys what life is like here. What they go through every day just to put food on their table. Seriously, I'm a little exhausted, but man must walk. Let's go. Well, I'm getting close. We are approaching Edawa stream. Let me follow here. Mebugo. Mebugo. Ah? Oh, then get the can. So let me go roll them. Okay. So this is what we came to get. This is a bamboo tree. I want to use them to cook palm palm fruits. In my local dialect, we call this otoshi, but in Central Igbo language, we call it achala. But you all know what it is. It is in English. It's bamboo tree. This is it. This is someone's farmland. This is someone's farmland. Some of the things they planted here are corn, ugu leaf, and this is a cocoyam. This is cocoyam leaf. This other is they call it obololo, obololo, and cassava. There's also cassava here. Idike. While cutting bamboo, you need to be very, very careful to avoid getting injured. Good afternoon, sir. Sir? Adamba. Oh, yeah. Wow, what? How the copy vuli? Oh, damn, how the ma? Can I give you bute? Can I give you bute? Okay, okay. Idike. When you hear the huh? Did you hear the Anga bute. So, oh. It's life in the village it's not an easy one. It is not an easy one. I think they cut some palm fruit for someone here. Maybe later in the evening. They will come and carry them. Got another one. Palm fruit inside the stream. Off you know. Okay, Enugu. Okay. So there's a place my grandmom has a small plantation. So I was asking him where it is. Okay, guess what I want to do with this? Huh? Oh, uh, I'm fair, call you fair. What? Rope. I want to go and twist the rope so that it will be a little bit elastic and will not break while tying the bamboo tree with it. We are done. We are done fetching the firewood, so we are about tying them. tying your bamboo, you have to twist it like this to make it a little bit elastic so that you're not cut. I think we are ready to go. Man, this water is so chilled. Let's go. It is go time. Man, carrying this thing up the hill is like driving a lorry. Oh boy. Man, if you've driven a narrow road before, this is what climbing this hill with these bamboos look like. Oh boy. Whew. I have survived. Hey, this thing is extremely heavy. Very long too. Just don't break my neck. Finish. Hey, my neck is killing me. Oh, that was how